Hi guys, you're all welcome. We'll be dishing out some tech ways of making money and that will also turn you into a pro. Not just turn you into a pro, but it will also fetch you some cash this year. And my name is Emmanuel from M Design Technology Hub. In this training today, we'll be talking about PLR. PLR is what we'll be discussing. In this aspect of discussing PLR, we also talk about the agency, which I'll be extending an offer at the end of this video, but it's only for those who will watch to the end. It's a short video actually, but for those who will watch to the end of the video are the ones I will extend this offer to, so they can grab the offer while it is still new. Remember, new tech ways are what we are going to be dishing out on this channel that we just created. So let's dive right in. These are the topics we are going to cover. First, we'll talk about what PLR is and PLR agency. Why is PLR business profitable? And the steps to starting a PLR business. The examples of PLR contents. The top PLR niches that we can focus on, and uses of PLR contents. Once again, my name is Emmanuel and I'll be taking you on this training. Now, what is PLR? PLR simply means private label rights. It is simply the business of getting complete rights to sell or rebrand someone's product. That is, someone has a product they are selling. You now ask them if you could buy this product and resell. You're not just an affiliate marketer, you are buying the product to resell it, and the good part of it is that you are keeping the whole money because you have paid him upfront. You paid him off. You didn't ask him for commission or whatever. You bought the product to resell it. And some of these PLR contents are curated by their owners for others to buy. They already have in mind that you buy them to resell. So look, that is what we are discussing in this video. These products are called PLR contents. Like I said, the products that PLR agents are selling or PLR products are called PLR contents, and they can be anything. When I mean anything, I mean anything. Like you can buy Indomie, you can buy physical products, you can buy anything. But here, most of the things we sell are digital products. Most PLR contents are digital products like ebooks, software, videos, presentations, slides, a lot of things that you can sell. Secrets, top secrets that people purchased, now they want to resell it. And you buy it without giving them any commission or giving them part of the profit. That is what we call PLR contents. Now, let's go to the most interesting part of this training, which is PLR agency. PLR agency means selling PLR contents on your website for others to buy and use it as they wish. Simply meaning that you own a website. You don't need to be told that you own a website. Now, owning a website means you have a page, or no matter how it looks, but you have a page where people can click and they come to your website. But this type of website where we buy things and sell things are called e-commerce website. So for you to build an e-commerce website, you should also know that it should look beautiful. It should look fine. So having this PLR contents, if you don't have a website, how would you sell them? It's not possible because most of them are digital. You don't need the person to come to your house to pick them. You have to display them on a website, and that is why you need to have a website. And this training goes hand in hand with our web development training. If you haven't taken the training for web development, you can go ahead on the button or down below. You will see the link to go and visit our web development trainings and pick one for a start. Now, to continue with PLR agency, the owner of the website is the agent, and it can be you if you understand today's training. Not just understanding today's training, if you can also take action when the offer is dropped, you will become a PLR agent, making lots of money for yourself and for your family. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.